Question 23. Now, it is recommended you use a grid method here. Whether you use my grid method or Napier's or something else is up to you. But a grid method allows you to pick up workings marks if you make a mistake. Now, this is my preferred method. Step 1, just do a rough estimate. So ballpark figure, you know what the answer is roughly going to be. 54.6 is roughly 50. 4.3 is roughly 4. 50 times 4 is 200. And we'll come back to that later on. Then just ignore the decimal points. Treat this as 546 times 43. So that's a 500, a 40 and a 6 being 546, and the 43 being a 40 and a 3. Then cross multiply. So multiply all of these across to fill in these 6 gaps. So 4 5s are 20, add the 3 noughts. 4 4s are 16, add 2 noughts. 4 6s are 24, add a nought. 3 5s are 15, add 2 noughts. 3 4s are 12, add a nought. 3 6s are 18. Then take these 6 numbers and write them to the side. Nicely space them out so you can get all your column numbers all nicely lined up. Doesn't matter which order you write them in. So I've just sort of worked my way along the top and the bottom. Carefully add those up, and I get 23478. Now, where do I have to slot the decimal point to get an answer roughly around 200? Well, clearly between the 4 and the 7. So I've got 234.78.